Hello, my lovely zodiacs. How are you guys doing? Here I'm back with the weekly guidance for all the zodiacs. So, hope you guys had an amazing long weekend. So, right now we should start with Aries. Aries, you will be in a position that you are too stressed in your life and you're not able to make any kind of decision, be it in personal or professional front. You are feeling very stuck in your life, but there is a ray of hope. Don't worry, things will change and it will get into a right direction. So have faith on that and patience, all you require right now. Do some meditation and go to the spiritual place or something, because you need some peace of mind. Right now you are the universe, explore the universe within you, Baba is saying that. So do some Nam Japa also, like Om Sai Ram or any Bhagwan's name. So you can do the japas. So you have to find yourself within you only and ask for help from others. If you are getting too stuck in any kind of situation, then might be there will be some mentor or whoever is you might be having a good friend or mentor or boss or anyone who can give you a good suggestion and can show you some path ahead. So go for that. Taurus. Taurus, you might be expecting some communication, be it professional or personal front. Reconciliation is at the horizon, and within 8 days' time, things will become better. If you are feeling stuck somewhere, also, like things are going to move ahead. And 3 C's: cut, clear, cancel. Cut, clear, and cleans all the memories and upsets of the past. Don't hold back your past. There is nothing left there. You have to focus on your present, and the future will unfold with the time. So clear all the baggages, what you have, what is gone, it's gone. Wait before taking any decision. Don't be so impatient and like wait for a few times. So things will get better. Gemini. Gemini, you are too stuck and you are fighting with people a lot, and you are not happy wherever you are right now. You want to just come out from this situation. Things will get better within 7 days or 7 weeks time. Baba is saying that karma is a cause and effect and not punishment. So take what it is as it is. So karma it is all we are facing right now. Remain positive throughout the process. Yeah, so it is just like whatever you are going through, it might getting blocked or something, because you are creating your own karmas, own negative thoughts and all. So remaining positive is much more needed right now. Cancer. There might be someone who might unfold some kind of secret in your life, and you might get shocked or something. Or someone is creating some kind of obstacles in your life. So be aware of all those kind of people. Be a little diplomatic, as you are already a diplomatic sign, sunshine. So be like that way only. I make you a channel of my work. So whatever you are doing, Baba is with you. Baba is saying that. And you are ready to take any kind of new projects or married life or anything, any new challenges you are ready to take. Leo. Universe has awesome things to offer, like be it job offer or personal front or anything. So be in this energy. All positive things you can expect in this week. Abundance, you will receive gift of abundance very soon. Love, joy, happiness, wealth, health, everything you will receive. Some peaceful resolution you will get. If you are stuck somewhere, if you are not getting any way ahead or something, then you might get some peaceful resolution. So it's a good time for you, Virgo. Virgo, you are too depressed. Means like whatever has gone, you are just focused on that part only. But see, universe wants to offer you something. You have to accept it. You cannot just be like, I'm too sad. I don't want to take any new projects, or I don't want to see anything. So in that way, you will be not able to go ahead, move ahead. So this is the thing, you are not alone. I am with you in every situation. Baba is assuring that. So don't be so depressed. Ups and downs, part and parcel of life, but you have to move ahead. You cannot be stuck. Not the right time for any kind of new project or new things right now. So be patient. Some good time will come up soon. Libra, some nice time ahead, and means like one cycle is getting over, and be it personal, professional front, you will be happy, and you will move ahead with lots of confidence. Growth, Baba is again saying, masters like parents give bitter medicines for our own cleansing and growth. So be happy that some growth, you can expect some growth also in your life right now. The situation will improve. If you are thinking that no, the situation is not improving, and again the same case is happening, so no, Angel is assuring you that the situation will improve. Scorpio, some offers you can get, be it business offer or job or marriage or something. It is coming really fast, and you have to be very positive about it, and it's a very good time ahead. I can see that, but you judge everything very cautiously. Means like not all the offers are very genuine. So when choosing anything like a business deal, or signing up a business deal or job offer or marriage offer or something, be cautious. Just see all the pros and cons around it. Divine oneness, there is only one supreme being. Although the ways of reaching him are different, we are all interconnected. So divine Baba is also assuring you, and this is the perfect timing for everything, personal, professional, every front. The growth is there. Angel is assuring that. Sagittarius, you are feeling too stuck, dear. Means like you are how will I get out from this situation? You are feeling like that way. You are just I'm too tired of fighting and all. But still, you have faith that you will be able to come out. And within 9 days, some improvement you can expect. See, Baba is saying good news, time for celebration, and celebration will be also there. So don't think that oh God, I'm too stuck, how to go ahead and all. So things will get better. See, Angela is saying new opportunities you can get. Opportunities means job offer or business offer, personally, any marriage offer. If you are seeing that, so you will get everything, dear. You have to be only positive. Capricorn, you are feeling very stable, be it personal or professional life. You are happy right now. You are leading abundant life, and you don't have any means like anything lesser in your life. So it's a very good stable kind of time you are going through. Detachment, be detached from people and situation. Detachment does not mean you run away from the people and situation. Let this no longer control you, and within next few months you will see some kind of changes. You might get married within next few months, or if you are looking for a new home, that can also happen. And if you are looking for some new job offers or business offers, everything will get into place within next few months. So be in this energy only. This is very positive kind of energy I am getting for your Capricorn. uh, Next is you are fighting Aquarius. So you are fighting a lot with people. You are just like you are not so happy. Whoever is around you, whoever is coming to you also to help you, you are just disowning them, and you are just like, please leave me alone, and I want to be in this position. But you have to come out from this situation, dear. See, sufferings. Baba is saying sufferings. Greatest souls get evolved after a lot of suffering. So whatever the sufferings is part and parcel of life, so don't get too rigid. Within 5 days or 5 weeks you will get better opportunity. Reconsider whatever the opportunities right now you have to reconsider something. Angel is saying that. Pisces, Pisces, there is some devil energy which is creating any blocks in your life, be it personal or professional life. You have to be very careful. Someone is backstabbing you guys, and you have to be careful on any business deal you are doing, or any romantic partnership or something. So this is not a great time. You have to be very cautious. I can say that it's a red flag from few people also. Be the light, be the hope and light in someone's life. So just be like a lighthouse. Means like show some path to others also. You have lots of wisdom inside you. And if you are not feeling well, or your family members are, if they are not well, so there is an indication that improving of health can happen. So this was the reading for all the zodiacs for upcoming week. Hope you liked it. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day and week ahead.